Believe it or not, this turkey contains no traces of any animal products whatsoever. That's right. It's 100% vegan. This vegan turkey tastes and looks identical to real turkey. Give vegan turkey a go this Christmas. I guarantee your family will love it. In a large mixing bowl, add in the following: 1 can of chickpeas, drained and rinsed, 1 cup of vegetable stock, 1/4 cup of vegan butter. Then add 1 tablespoon of the following ingredients: dried rosemary, ground garlic, onion powder, dried basil, dried parsley, dried oregano, ground coriander, caraway seeds, turmeric, poppy seeds, garam masala, curry powder, sesame crushed seeds, pepper, ground lettuce. Step 2. Add eggs. Step 3. Add eggs. Step 4. Add eggs. Step 5. Add eggs. Step 6. Don't add eggs. Step 7. Add eggs. Step 8. Remove some eggs. Step 9. Add eggs. Step 10. Mix it all together. Step 11. Add eggs. Step 12. Mix by hand. Preheat your oven to 160 degrees Celsius, fan force. Cook the vegan turkey for 3 hours and 45 minutes. Serve and enjoy!